Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to show you this box. This is December's Glossybox. This is just beautiful. I've never seen a box like this. Do you want to know what's inside? I mean, I don't. I just want to know what's on the outside of this one, but do you want to know what's on the inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this beautiful box just arrived. Glossybox does send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, when they do mail this, it is in an outer box. It's Glossybox. It's our standard box, and I always remove that to make it easier. I don't open this to see inside, but at least to get to the inner box to start. And when I opened and I saw this, I literally screamed. It's a metal tin. It's not a normal, this is, oh my gosh, and look at the bottom. Oh my gosh. Here's the whole moon phase. I can't even freaking talk. There is their logo, but this is just, oh my gosh. I am simply in love with this box, and it's a tin box. It's not just the paper box. It is a tin box. Look at the front. Can we just like bask in this beautifulness, whatever you want to say. I know my lights, I'm sorry, I'm trying to move it a little so you can see side to side, but it is like this bright blue, like a beautiful, beautiful blue to this purple lavender. Oh my gosh, this is just breathtaking. This is now hands down my favorite box that they have produced that I've seen and that I've received. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's a tin box. Honestly, I don't give a shit about what is inside of this box. Like, that's just, oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, Glossybox. Can you do a few more kind of like this? Can you pop at least one or two more out a year? Oh my gosh. I don't even want to open it. Like, I just don't even want to open it. But here, we got to open it. That's what this is, right? We got to see what's inside. So here is the beautiful box. I'm definitely keeping this. This is not going anywhere. Oh my gosh. That is just gorgeous. Okay, let's go on the inside. Okay, so the top is like this. It just has like a few little winter little snowflakes. That's cute that they put a few of them in there just like to change it up a bit for this season. That is actually really cute. Then when you open it up, here is the brochure. I'm so impressed by this box. Oh my gosh, it's called Moonlight Glow. I am so thankful for this box. Some little piece of paper decided to fall out. There's another piece of paper here. And then there is the dark blue tissue paper. And then today we have like a, I don't even know what, would that be like a taupe kind of color? That's really pretty. I always save the ribbons. You never know when you want a ribbon. And no, I do not tie my man up with these. I know you're like, yo, I know you'd be tying your man up with those. I'm like, no. I don't need to, but I keep them in case I need them. So down inside, when you remove the tissue paper, I am thinking, because I do have a lot of them there, I could make a nice little rope. Here's what's inside. Now my mind is going. Okay, so down inside, it looks like there's two different dry shampoos. I'm not quite sure if mine just inherited two, if it multiplied, or if there is supposed to be two. So let's look and see. There is two. Wow, I've never seen them give us two different ones. There's two in the photo right about there. So it says these are travel size, and they're $3.99 each. You can find them at Ulta. But again, that's really neat that they gave you two. I know that they're smaller sizes, but at least there's two, you know? That's really cool. I don't think I've ever seen them do that before. So here are the bottles, and it says, don't like washing your hair every day? No problem. This dry shampoo provides an instant refresh, leaving hair looking, feeling, and smelling fresh and clean. So your style lasts longer between washes. The mini bottle is perfect for touch-ups on the go throughout the day. That's really neat. You could leave one like in your purse or something, and these are good size for travel as well. And again, $3.99 each, and they gave you two of them. Shake can well and hold 12 inches away from roots. Spray onto the roots, massage in, and brush through. So there's that. I will go ahead and save those for you guys. I don't use dry shampoo, but hey, now 2 of you guys gets to try this one. So that's really neat. So next we have, and this says it's a Skin Research Laboratories New Reflection Complexion Perfecting Polish. Let's see what this is. Oh, this must be, hold up. There, ooh, are you serious? And this is a mystery product. Okay, so this is a mystery product. So if I find any information, I will put it on the side for you guys so you might know the pricing if I can find it. But it says on number 6 over here, there's a big old question mark. And it says mystery product. Surprise Glossies! To make this month's box a little more fun and special, we've included a surprise mystery product to the Moonlight Glow collection. We hope you love it and can't wait to see and hear what you think about it. I think that's really neat that they did that because it's a little surprise, kind of like, you know, it's a mystery to what you get. Not everyone is going to get the same thing. And it's a little surprise, like, you know, Christmas. You don't know what it is until you open it. So that is really neat that they did that in this month. I actually appreciate that. That is so cool. So let's go ahead and open this. Let's see what it looks like inside. Do we have any... It says, buff your way to a refined and radiant complexion with this revolutionary and luxuriously whipped facial polish that enhances skin's health and beauty long after you rinse. Apply a thin layer onto clean, wet skin. Gently massage in an upward circular motions. Take care around the eyes. Leave on for up to 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. For a deeper exfoliation... Ooh, that is a really pretty package. Look at that. And I love the midnight blue. Goes with the whole theme. But it says, for a deeper exfoliation, apply to dry skin for a dry brushing effect. And then it says you can use this 3 times a week. That is just really, really pretty packaging though. I give it that. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. That's different. So after washing your face, apply a thin layer, leave it on for 5 minutes, and then rinse it off. I don't really smell anything, but that is so cool. And that's neat that we have a little mystery, little surprise, little item. Good job, Glossybox. I just love the box though, let me tell you. So next we have is an Elemis product. This is Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. This one here is a travel size and it's worth $22. It says the perfect recipe to a dewy glow. This silicone-free moisturizer primes and hydrates to reveal a smooth and radiant complexion. And it says use as a daily moisturizer, a hydrating makeup primer, or to enhance skin's natural luminosity. And this right here is valued for $22. That is so cool. All right, so the next one, it says extra treat. There's 3 bags, 1, 2, and 3. Yes. So these are tea bags. One says turmeric chamomile. One is turmeric ginger. And then one is lemon ginger. These right here says the singles are $1 each, or you can get a box of 30 for $19.99. So this would be $3 worth. These teas are just what you need this winter to keep warm and stay healthy. Top tip, add 1 tea bag and 7 ounces of hot water to a cup. Steep for 2 to 3 minutes and enjoy. So that is really neat. Again, for winter, a lot of people have really cold weather here in Florida. I wish we did. But that is really neat. You can sit down, relax, have your hot tea. That is really neat that they thought of that for this month. Definitely. And those are $1 each. Okay, so next we have, I really like this brand. I have a few of them that are black handles. This one is blue, and I'm actually so excited. I thought it was going to be a black one because in the picture, it just looks like a regular black one like I have. But in here, this one's actually blue. Look at that color. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This is a full size, and this is a tapered blending LR120 by LaRusi. Is that how you say it? Beauty. Again, I do have a few of these. I even have like some bigger ones. I normally don't use the bigger brushes myself. Not yet. I haven't figured out how to use them. But I do have one that I use for shadow every single day to do like my lighter area up here. I really, really love that brush. This one here is a blending, it's a tapered blending brush. And I'm actually super, super excited to use this. I love that color. Ooh, I love that color. That is just it's just a gorgeous color, and it's following with the theme with the blues, the dark blues. I see you, Glossybox. I see what you're doing with this box. Dang, this one is an amazing box. Okay, so the last item that I saw earlier, and I was like, oh, that, I don't even know what I even said when I saw it. Ooh, are you serious? But look at this. This is an eyeshadow palette, and you have moons and stars. And I was like, oh my goodness. This is called the Moonlight Glow 4 Shades Face Palette. I'm sorry, it's not an eyeshadow palette. It's a face palette. It has a blush, a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. So 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlighter is going to be inside. But it's from LA Splash, and I just love the whole theme, you guys. This is $34 right here by itself. Let's open it up and see what is on the inside. Oh my gosh, the packaging is even stunning. Look at that. That is so much better looking than this. Let me tell you, look at that. So that's what the outside looks like. Holy moly, I just love blue. I love the sky. I love everything to do with the moon, the stars. I always have. So this palette is super, super pretty. It says beauty is like the moon in the midnight sky. Oh, yeah, shine bright. So it does have the moon. That's what it says right here. It does have like the little stars. And then this is what the palette looks like. So the 2 blushes down here, you have the highlighter, and then the bronzer right there. You guys, I normally do not keep face palettes like this because I don't use them. But this is such a gorgeous package that I kind of feel like I need to keep this because I'm drawn to this packaging and it's just stunning. So I think I'm actually going to keep this for myself and try to get ballsy and use this. Maybe that's what I can do, play around with this guy, but the packaging is just gorgeous. I love that. So the pro tip on this one says apply without or after foundation to your cheekbones, collarbones, and right beneath your brows. Give your face some lunar love and get a real moonlight glow. These 4 colors are exactly what you need to top off any look, whether you want a subtle glow or steal the spotlight. Your beauty will dazzle any room you walk into. And this again is $34. Oh my goodness. And they matched kind of the ribbon with like this taupey light, like pinkish kind of color. That was the same color as that ribbon. Oh, now I'm back on the ribbons again. I forgot. I'm back on the ribbons again. But inside, when you remove this, that continues to the very side. Do they have a little... No, I was looking to see if there was like 1 or 2 little hidden like, what were those things? Snowflakes that are in the lid. But so there's the inside of that. And you guys, I am totally keeping this container. This is just beautiful. So to go over what is in this December box, I feel right off the bat, this is the best box that they have done in a very, very long time. Not only am I drawn to it because of the stars, the moons, that kind of thing, but I just really like that they took all these things in consideration. Everything is like color coordinated, even to the packaging of my mystery item. And I just love this box. Oh my gosh. And then this packaging definitely went with it. Them picking out this theme and matching everything to it, I think they knocked it out of the park for sure. So again, a recap of what's in here. You get a mystery item. You have the blending brush. You have the Elemis product. You have 3 different teas. You have a face palette. And then you have this beautiful box that you can use, and it's a tin you can use for anything. Oh, and I forgot about these. They were sitting off to the side. These were both in there too. So you have 2 dry shampoos as well. All right, you guys, so that is everything that came in the December box. If you want a little bit more information about Glossybox, I will have them linked down below. Right now, if you follow my link, you can get your very first box for only $16, and they do free international shipping. So month to month is $21 if you just do month to month. If you go to a full 12-month plan, it brings it down to $18 per month, but you do not get charged the full thing. You still pay monthly, but you lock it in at the year year rate. So if you do want to keep Glossybox for a year, if you want to lock in that cheaper rate, you pay it still monthly. But if you do follow my link and you haven't been a subscriber before, you get your very first box for only $16. And again, there's free international shipping. You can cancel and pause at any given time. You're supposed to get 5 products with a worth of over $70 every box. So that is everything, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this particular month? What do you think of the products that they chose for it? What do you think of this gorgeous tin? I can't, like I already said, I didn't even care what was inside. I just wanted the tin. Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.